skills, performing arts and sports. Welcome to the Rocket Report. Welcome to the Rocket Report.
The girls bowling team made school history. For the first time ever, one of our Streetsboro bowling teams went to districts. On January 31st, the girls team took first place in the MAC postseason tournament. Sophomore Milo Southerland got us overall 507. Freshman Ava Clark got third overall with a 501, and Ellie Raines and Jordan Brigham tied sixth overall with 459. The girls made a bet with Coach Matt Stump for sectionals that if they all got marks in the same frame, which is a spare or a strike, that he would have to get them Team Taco Bell. All of them got their marks and earned their Taco Bell. The girls team placed second in sectionals with 3 bowlers in the top 10 individual scores. Fifth place, Ava Clark with a 505, sixth place, Milo Southerland with a 499, and seventh place, Ellie Raines with a 498. The boys team season has come to an end as they didn't move past sectionals, and the girls team run sadly ended after district. Recently, I had the chance to sit down with Milo and Ava to talk about how this season went.
My average, I think I ended with a 150 average and then a 237 high game.
I think I finished the season with about a 154 average, and my high game I just got at practice is I think a 212.
I have been bowling since November of last year, 2 years ago. What year was it?
I started bowling around this time 2 years ago, I want to say.
One of the aspects I find most challenging is probably not getting down on yourself after a bad shot. Because it's very easy to get in your head, Ava. And, you just gotta be able to control the next ball and not let it get you down.
For me, I think the hardest part is trying to stay focused and not get too down about yourself. If you have a bad game or a bad shot, trying to stay in, like, not get in your head and try and stay happy and upbeat.
Go to states as a team. We were close this year, but I think with a little more work, we can get there.
To go to states as a team, and to, if we don't do that, to try and qualify for districts as an individual.
Focus more on one thing at a time rather than trying to fix everything at once. Like work on release, work on footwork, but both at separate times. Figure one thing out, then the next.
Next season, I think I want to improve by trying to just work on myself and not worry about the whole team, and trying to focus and be able to realize that I am good at what I do and I need to just keep doing what I'm doing.
Probably MAC postseason tournament when we got first place. It was just, the energy was amazing.
My best bowling memory is probably at sectionals this year when we all got Team Taco Bell, and for lunch we went outside and we had like a little Taco Bell party in the back of Matt's truck, and we all ate Taco Bell together.
Thanks for sitting down with me, and congrats on the great season. Have a great day and stay classy, Streetsboro.